Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile for beginners. First, let's cover the basics of movement and camera control. Use your left thumb to move your character and your right thumb to adjust your view. Familiarize yourself with the on-screen buttons for actions like jumping, crouching, and prone. Practicing these fundamental controls in the training ground will build a strong foundation for your gameplay. Get comfortable with aiming and firing before entering a match. Once you land, your first priority is to find good loot. Look for weapons, armor, and medical supplies inside buildings. Remember to manage your backpack space wisely. Only pick up items you truly need. Prioritize healing items like first aid kits and bandages, along with ammunition for your chosen weapons. A well-organized inventory ensures you're always ready for any encounter. Don't forget to equip attachments to improve your guns. When engaging enemies, always try to use cover. Trees, rocks, and buildings can protect you from incoming fire. Understand the strengths of different weapon types. Assault rifles are versatile, while snipers are great for long distances. Try to aim for the head for maximum damage. Don't rush into open areas without a plan. Patience and strategic positioning are key to winning firefights and surviving longer in the game. To survive, always keep an eye on the map and stay inside the shrinking safe zone. The blue zone outside will slowly damage you. Pay close attention to audio cues. Footsteps and gunshots can reveal enemy positions. If playing with a squad, communicate effectively and stick together. Teamwork significantly increases your chances of victory. Remember, the last team standing wins, so play smart and adapt to the changing battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.